Hey, in this video I would like to show how to connect to DHT to your Raspberry Pi. So let me open the camera and zoom it out. As you can see, DHT has three pins, right? And the middle pin is VCC, the end pin is ground, and the left end pin is right here. This is the data pin. So I'm using the same wiring convention, traditional wiring convention. So the center one is the VCC, which is connected to VCC here. The leftmost one is the data, which is connected to data here. And the rightmost one is the ground, connected to ground of the DHT. These wires are connected to Raspberry Pi. So let's say if the Raspberry Pi is facing this side, these first three pins are VCC 3 volts, VCC 5 volts, and ground, and these are the data pins. So I'm connecting the VCC and ground here and the data pin to the fourth pin here. So this is how I'm connecting the Raspberry Pi to the DHT11. So once this is done, uh, let's open the VNC viewer and trigger a program that will collect the data and publish something to the things board. So this is a program which I explained in the earlier video, that collects the data from DHT sensor on a pin 4, round them up, and send the data to as a telemetry using MQTT protocol and the certificates. So right now it's sending some data. Let's open the the app in the mobile and see if that data is getting reported or not. Let me refresh this. As you can see, the data is getting published here, and you can change the interval of the data to 30 days and history to 30 days, and you can visualize the data from the last 30 days. It ranges from 1 second to a complete of 30 days. So as you can see, this is our last 1 second, and let me keep it to 30 seconds. That's fine for me. So this is a 30-second line chart. So this is how you will visualize the data that's sent from a device in the things port. So you may wonder, here I am getting just the telemetry data, but how is it visible as a graph in the mobile? So to do it, so you have to go to the devices like this and click on the particular device and go to latest telemetry. So you have to select which one to show on a widget. So I want to show these two on the widget and select on show on widget. Let's say if I want to show it in sort of digital gaze, so I can use this or this or this or this. I can use whatever I want from here. I can use analog gaze like this. So if I click on add to dashboard and select the Raspberry Pi temperature dashboard and click on add, then if I go to my phone and refresh my dashboard here, let me refresh this. Okay, let me restart the app. As you can see, two widgets are loaded. So one shows the humidity and the temperature on 1 second. So this is a single widget, right? I cannot show the two devices data on a single widget. So let's go to the dashboards and delete this widget. So basically, this is getting confused because it's having the data of both humidity and temperature into a single widget. Let's remove this and go to the devices again and select one widget for humidity and show it on a analog guys, says humidity, and click on add to widget, and the dashboard is my Raspberry Pi temperature dashboard. Also, let's select, so the other one is humidity, I guess. Yep, I'm getting humidity on the other widget. Let's show this widget onto another digital gas and change it to some cool looking gas, something like this, and add it to dashboard and click on the dashboard. So if I restart my app, it will be showing these two widgets on the app. So the one thing is the line chart, the other is the humidity meter, and the bottom one is the digital gas. So let's try blowing some air onto this and see if it changes. So I blew some air onto this DHT11. As you can see, the humidity is 95 and the temperature went from 23 to 24. So this is how you can visualize, send the data, and save the data in ThinkSpot. Thank you.